Dear diary, you must think that coding in Python starts with hello world, but really, it starts with pip install. And at first, it's beautiful. One command, one library, everything works. Beginner think, wow, I'm a genius. Then, they try installing a package that needs system dependencies, and suddenly pip transforms into a boss fight. Pip install PyCoPG2, now you're compiling C extensions at 2 am. Pip install OpenCV, congratulations, you have accidentally started a side career in computer vision. Don't get me started on pip install Torch, that's not an installation, that's downloading a small moon. And the worst part, every tutorial says it's easy, just pip install. They never mention the fine point. Step 1, install a C compiler. Step 2, install half of Linux. Step 3, question your life choices. At that point, dear diary, even coffee won't save you. It just makes the compiler errors look faster and scroll faster. So yeah, dear diary, pip install works, and it really doesn't. And when it doesn't, you don't just lose your sanity, you lose your weekend. And that's my stand-up update for episode 9. Season 1 compiled successfully. Dependencies? Still broken. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.